Hi, I'm Sophie Robinson, expert colour columnist at House Beautiful magazine, and well, I am on a mission to inspire you to embrace more colour in your home. So in this video, we're going to be talking about decorating with the colour Tangerine. I have to admit, it's probably been a bit of a fringe colour when it comes to popularity and trends, but I think, indeed I know, it's a colour that is only growing in popularity and we're going to see more of it. So where it sits on the colour wheel is with all those other deliciously warm colours like yellow and red. So it's going to bring an injection of warmth and coziness into a space. Therefore, in terms of thinking about where you might use orange, I think it's perfect for cozy living rooms. It's got that real fireside glow about it. I mean, imagine a lovely buttoned back, deep-seated, burnt orange velvet sofa. I mean, that already is setting the scene for a cozy night in. And with that theme in mind, it goes really well with these kind of lovely terracotta and brick shades. It sits beautifully with leather tones, natural timbers, and then you can mix it with other autumnal shades like your kind of like burnt yellows and olive greens. Or you can really ramp up the intensity of the orange into these really lovely bright tones which sit together with what I call kind of carnival colours. So you've got here these lovely kind of electric blues and hot fuchsia pinks, and these bring a real lovely joyful conviviality to a space. This might be really good, for example, for a kitchen or a dining room space where you want a really uplifting and positive vibe. Indeed, in terms of colour psychology, orange is in fact a brilliant colour for aiding digestion, and it makes you enjoy your food even more. So bring it into any kitchen and dining spaces and it will do that job for you. Now, because Tangerine has a kind of like real energetic vibrancy to it, it actually pairs really well with cooler, more somber shades, which can help orange look a little bit more sophisticated. So think of blending it with a really lovely jet black, for example, or those gorgeous charcoal greys, or indeed silvers, for a more kind of grown up and sophisticated take on Tangerine. If going full Tangerine is feeling like a little bit too much for you, don't disregard it as a brilliant accent colour. For example, a cushion or a throw on the sofa can really inject a feeling of warmth, or it might be just updating your table setting with some orange napkins or indeed some soup bowls to really lift the look. If I had a room to decorate, this is absolutely where I'd be. This is giving me all the feels. It's warm, it's joyful, it's bold, it's optimistic, so trust me, Tangerine is coming. I hope this has given you a little inspiration on how you can introduce colour in your home.